Hello everybody, I'm Marco Porcaro, Android Tech Leader at Synesthesia, and for Droidcon Italy today with us there is Arianna Giglio from Telepass Digital. Hi Arianna, how are you?
Hi, Marco.
What is Telepass Digital? How was Telepass Digital born?
So Telepass Digital was born from the merge between Telepass and Wise Emotions. Telepass aims to make an integrated system of services for urban and extra-urban mobility, while Wise was founded by four computer engineering students whose dream was to create a digital company strongly focused on development of mobile system and with a young and groundbreaking mindset. So this year, in 2021, the two companies joined forces to build a new development team dedicated to digital.
Why Telepass decided to bet, to invest on Telepass Digital?
Telepass Digital makes use of a series of professional figures to implement working method strongly focused on good results. The features are planned between business and the project owners. Later, the design team agrees with the developers and then create a clear and intuitive UX and a clean and modern UI. Afterwards, the software development team takes care of the implementation on the various distribution platforms, and the final validation is entrusted to the quality assurance team that deals with testing and releasing the new features. So this process allows us to update our products, ensuring quality, and to be proactive to new trends.
What is different in Telepass Digital? What are the reasons why Telepass Digital is so efficient?
One of the main reason is that also we Android developers have the responsibility to write good code, and it's not just good, but it's also maintainable and clean. And to do this before considering any changes concluded, we ask the rest of the team for a review, and so the code is taken under the microscope and carefully analyzed by our colleagues before being brought into develop. So now it's a must to quote our team leader who always says that there is no friendship on the code.
Okay, so the good quality of the code is always our target. So you talked about code review, but there are other methods, something else that you use to improve your code. I don't know, some way to write code, pair programming. I don't know.
We also have some training session, and we are really proud of this method because we meet with the whole team half a day every week, and we keep updated with the Android world. Part of the training is dedicated to exploring new design patterns and or simplifying an user situation. And when we are particularly proud with some solution, we are committed to use it daily on projects in production. And we also refactor the code and have fun with new things such as Compose that we later use on projects, example projects.
Okay, so basically you organize a small Droidcon, a small internal Droidcon every week
Yeah,
inside your
kind of.
company.
Kind
Nice.
of.
So it's really a nice thing to have a periodic update with the entire team to keep everyone updated. So one thing that especially during the pandemic we found hard was to keep everyone updated and on the same page because especially in the first month there were a lot of people that remained maybe not aware of the new things that the rest of the team was doing. So it's really a nice thing. And this training, do you find it useful? Do you see a lot of improvements on your daily work?
Yes, because as I said before, it's also part of it's also a way to keep our code updated and to refactor some parts that maybe we implemented a long time ago. So we try to keep the code as clean as possible, and we also have fun because we study new technologies, and maybe we create some little projects that are not related strictly related to the company.
What are you working right now? What do you do on your normal daily work?
Okay, so in Telepass Digital, we work for features team. So we don't work on all the app, but we actually concentrate on some parts. Every group has um, uh, every group works with just a section of the app, and it's composed of software developers such as mobile, so iOS and Android, and sometimes also the web. And then we have the backend group, and the design, and obviously the project owners, and also the quality assurance team.
So, and Telepass will be a sponsor during the Droidcon. So, can you anticipate something to us on what will be the topic of your talk?
Sure. So during a training meeting, we encountered the difficulty with a request with the motion layout. From here, we studied an alternative solution using Compose, and we liked the results so much that we decided to show it with a case study at Droidcon.
Okay, nice. Well, I think that Compose will be the most the biggest topic on the Droidcon. So
Yeah,
nice.
I think so.
Okay, thank you, Arianna. And today we discovered something about Telepass Digital and the way that the team works in Telepass Digital. And so I want to thank you for your time, and see you next time.
Thank you. It was really a pleasure to be here and to speak with you.
Bye. Thanks, Arianna.
Bye. Thank you.